Condition pacers lined up for tonight's 7th race, full field of 10. The run gate, the gate is rolling. Princess Wendy is off stride once again. And they're off. Pocket Bill charges out for the early lead. A Roaring Doll also left well from the center. Already spent, driven out there along the inside into the opening turn. It's Pocket Bill who takes the early lead here for Stiltner. A Roaring Doll tucked nicely into second. Already spent, came away racing in third. It's Fun found a nice spot there in fourth around the opening turn as Yank My Rope came away in fifth. She Shall Cruise, the favorite, is reserved early from sixth. Ashley Force away from seventh. FK Beautiful and Hoosier Rosie are together there at the back, and Princess Wendy far back after the miscue. They were through the opening quarter, 27-3. It's a sizzling opening quarter there as Pocket Bill, the 13-year-old mare, continues on down the backside with a 3-length lead over a Roaring Doll, who's all alone from second. Already spent, continues to track from third. It's Fun now, moves to the outside from fourth. Yank My Rope tracks cover second over from fifth. She Shall Cruise is stacked up third over sixth. Ashley Force saves ground in seventh. FK Beautiful and Hoosier Rosie, 8th and 9th. They were through the half, 56-4, 29-1 for the second quarter. And Pocket Bill continues on down to the far turn with a length and a half lead. As they move around that far turn, a Roaring Doll continues on from second. But It's Fun moves up on the outside to challenge first over. Yank My Rope with a perfect second over trip into fourth. She Shall Cruise moves 3 wide from fifth. Hoosier Rosie moves up on the outside, 3 wide, sixth, off 3/4, 127 even. It's Fun is powered into the lead, but now She Shall Cruise tips off cover and sticks a neck in front of the outside. Yank My Rope in between horses in second. Hoosier Rosie up on the far outside as they drive for the finish. She Shall Cruise still there. Yank My Rope down on the inside. Hoosier Rosie, She Shall Cruise. Going to get the job done. Here's the favorite. Hoosier Rosie was second. Yank My Rope third. FK Beautiful finished fourth. Cruise still